Now we are going to create displacement map for our low poly. We're gonna project all the shape details from our blockout to our low poly mesh. As you can see, I've just imported our low poly model. You can see it here with the UVs that we created. And I just assigned a new material on it and also renamed it to Alien. It will be our high poly model. Okay, now we need to, as you can see here, it's UVs and maps. We need to extract texture maps, new operation. We're gonna extract displacement map. Target model will be our low poly model. We're gonna select it and add select it. It will be on level 0. And for the source model, we're gonna select our blockout model. We don't have so much detail to bake, that's why we're gonna bake it on 2K map. And I want to show you this part also, the method that we need to bake. Now it's on raycasting. For subdivision, it will be the same topology mesh, but we don't have the same topology mesh. That's why we will change it to raycasting. Choose the samples. I'm gonna select closest to lowest mesh, and I'm gonna push best yes. It will change it automatically. And it's all that we need to do. Now we need to, one moment, we'll check it. Okay, we don't need to view it as a bump map. We're gonna deselect this, and just we need to create a folder for bakes. Okay, and this will be our displacement map. And the main part, we're gonna choose OpenEXR 32-bit and save it. Now we're gonna extract this. It will take a little bit time. Oh, it's done. The next thing, we need to subdivide this model with Shift and D. Now it's almost 1 million polygons and it will work. And we need to sculpt using maps. In operation, we're gonna select our model. It will be Alien. And we're gonna select our texture. Here is it. And oh, it's selected. We need to just press go. As you can see, now it's done. But here we have some artifacts. We can fix it. We just need to move it and smooth it a little. We're gonna smooth them from, it will be a little bit difficult, but we need to find this part and just I need to push it. We need to fix it on the highest level of the subdivision. If we will do it on the lower levels, we also will be able to do the second time on the highest level. That's why it's just simple to do on the highest level one time. For now, I'm gonna just turn the mirror off because it's not symmetrical. Just with smoothing. There's just left only this part. Okay, now we are done. Each time to add the final details on this mesh to finalize the high poly model and move to the next step. Cool, let's start creating the final high poly model.